How to hard reset Galaxy Z Flip 5. Step 1. Power off your phone. Step 2. Now use a USB cable to connect the phone to the PC and hold down the volume up and the power button together. Step 3. The recovery mode was activated.